Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. Today's job is a quick one, hopefully. My daughter, earlier this year, cosplayed at MegaCon in Manchester as Grell Sutcliffe, and as part of that, I built her a chainsaw replica from the cartoon, for the anime, for her to carry around with her, and it worked really, really well. It does need some repair work though, because we're off to another Comic-Con in Birmingham next weekend, and it needs some upgrades. We've got a couple of issues. You can see some of this has started to come apart. So today we're just going to do some strengthening work on some of the handles, just because we're going to be carrying this around. Well, she's going to be carrying this around for about 6 hours on the day. And you see it's quite a large chainsaw replica. So to make sure there's no issues with it breaking or having any issues when we're there for the day. So that's hopefully today. I'm going to try my best to hide all the screws in this as well, as best as I can. But we'll see how we get on. So I've got this on the bench. As you can see, it's made of plastic pipe, most of these handles. This one's come loose because it's come loose from this side. This doesn't take any load. It's mainly this one that gets held with. I think what we'll try and do is use some set screws, like these. Just we'll try and tap into these locations here, as well here, try and get through the main plastic and into the back one, and then might try and drive something in here to stop this moving around a lot. This one, so we'll glue this back in. This doesn't need tapping to hold it more securely. It needs holding from here, so that might just get some more Gorilla Glue on that side. These are the main ones, so I'm going to need some drill bits. Let's see what we've got. A tap and die set. Let's see what size I think we're going to need. I think it's going to have to be, that size, which is 8mm. Let's get a ruler and check. Yeah, 8 by 5. So I think we're going to need a 3mm drill bit just to drill the holes in that. So we're going to try this. If it doesn't work, I'll just tie it together with some screws in there. So it should be these ones, and then we'll get the tap and die set out. I'm just going to check. Yep. So we'll do one. If that works out okay, and we'll do the rest.
Okay, so I've sorted out these ones. You get to see the grub screws that are now in there. Not very clear on this, but there's grub screws now. I'll show a bit close up later. And I need to attach this. So what I've done is I've drilled a hole through here. And what I'll do is just going to countersink that a little bit and just drive a screw through. This is going to be the most secure way of doing that. Should do it. Oops. That should be that. That's nice and secure now. Much more. Apart from that, now rolling around inside, which I can't really help. So grub screw dropped into it. I'm happy with that. Nice and secure. That shouldn't pop out of there. All this is nice and secure. That's glued in. I might throw some glue, extra glue on that, some super glue just to hold that. If that's what I think about. Just to attach that a bit more secure. So super glue. Shall we use contact cement? I might use contact cement. Is this one open? No. So let me get some cardboard to put onto that. For mixing, and just grab something. So. That should hold that. Get rid of that. I won't go in the workshop. And that should be that fixed. So what I'm going to do now is clear the workbench off and give those areas a little bit of silver paint. Do that now. What we need. So using some Citadel paint, which I just happen to have. I don't think we need to thin it down at all. Just make it so it's not as obvious. And that's done. I'll do a quick run round it in a minute. Okay, there it is, all back together again. As you can see, we'll just put some grub screws in there, some down the bottom, and just drew a screw through that to hold this. This is the main carry handle, so I was a bit nervous about this coming apart. It was only glued together. Put some barge glue on that just to hold it in place. But it's definitely ready once again for my daughter to dress up as Grell Sutcliffe from Black Butler and head around the NEC at
Birmingham next week for Comic Con. Really looking forward to seeing her out and about with it again. Thanks for watching. Cheers.